Hello, Trade Pro Labs. I'm Egan Govender, and I'm bringing you the number one investment talk show in the world. Today, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin and what's currently trending on the market. Currently, Bitcoin is bearish. The price at this current time is $31,599.90. It's very, very, very bearish right now. There's a big downtrend. Um, I'm hoping you guys are holding on tight and enjoying the ride. Um, Most people looking at this downtrend think Bitcoin is bearish, and if you're a hodler, then you're going to be worried because unfortunately you're losing money. Well, you still own the asset for one, so definitely you're not losing money. But from a financial stance, holding on an asset like Bitcoin, especially if it's trending down, may feel a bit emotional. So I can understand the emotional side of things. From an investment opportunity side, when there is volatility in the market, there's a lot of opportunity. Volatility breeds profits. So, for an example, if you're trading the financial markets and you're trading Bitcoin against the dollar, right now is an ideal sell position for yourself. The potential of the bearish market is shorting. Obviously, you can short the market. Currently, if you look at, there is a downtrend. I had a sell signal at $45,000. There was another sell signal at $39,000, which right now for traders out there, meaning that you could have opened up or short the market at that price point. The best thing for you guys is that to understand that if a market is trending downwards, you can either sell against the market or you can do a swing trade, which right now you can buy in at a lower price and wait for the big upside to come in the future. So imagine if something's, to make it very simple, if it's something is cheaper right now, you're buying on a swing. So when everybody else is selling, you actually buy right now. So when the price reach goes up, you actually buy at a very low position compared to when everybody's selling off. There is a number of ways of you could do this right now. You could do short the market, which is quite good. You could buy right now and hold until the position goes up. So a lot of institutions right now would probably buy because they've taken profits. So what happens when they take profits? There's a big downside. There could be a liquidity pool. When you got a lot of institutions following and investing into a specific crypto token, especially Bitcoin, there's a lot of volatility in there because they just, by buying for big volumes or selling for big volumes, it creates a lot of volatility. So the price action falls. Right now, I'm looking at Bitcoin. It's crazy low. We're looking at an all-time low on my statistics, on the analytics behind it. The lower low, the support line would be $29,238, around that mark. I can draw a trend line, that would be great, or support line. And then if you're looking at this falling price or the lower lows on a weekly chart, you can see that Bitcoin normally touches around that mark. So it normally hits about that mark and then it rebounds. If it breaks the support line, then we're going to need to do a technical analysis on the downtrend. For me, when I do technical analysis, I always start on a bigger time frame and then work my way backwards, because that way it give you more accurate reading of the overall trend of an asset. Example, you could see this sell-off was on the foot of the foot. You could know that automatically there was a sell signal right here. So you would have got in on this beautiful sell from about 46,000 all the way up to 31,000, which is a massive pullback right here. But the overall trend, if you look at it, is sell. If you look at the overall trend on a weekly chart, it's a sell direction trend. It's at the support line right now. If we go on a shorter time frame, which is the daily chart, and we zoom out a little bit, you can see that point hitting 1, 2, 3 points. You can see it, three points, key points over the years. And what happens afterwards is a nice big upside. So As I said, there's two different techniques here. You could go on the short and short the market right now, and if you're a trader, you can short it, and it's very lucrative. But there's also an option for a swing trade, which is ideal. Warren Buffett, a great investor, he is known for the swing trade. I think one of his earlier days when he invested in the financial markets, he invested into an aviation company when everybody else was selling. He bought the stocks for near pennies, very, very low rate. And that's a similar thing what's happening to Bitcoin right now. The price is dumping, the price is falling, it's a bearish market. You can actually buy at a lower rate and then buy and wait for the uptrend. That's a great and ideal situation. I know a lot of the Bitcoin hodlers, the institutions, the exchanges would actually be buying right now because they want to hold for the upside that's going to come in the future, right? That's part of one of the trends. Overall, Bitcoin is bullish for the future. Obviously, everybody knows what's going on. This is my opinion. Everybody needs to understand there's definitely risks in trading and investing. You can lose all of your money. So this is a disclaimer. What we do here at Trade Pro Labs is teach you, give you information, and what you do with that information is totally up to you. We show you how we do it and what we do and different techniques and strategies, how to make money and invest without using a lot of emotions, pure strategy, technique. This comes from years and years and years of experience. Bitcoin itself overall and crypto overall has a bigger play. I know a lot of you guys are saying online that, hey, here's it's gonna fall, but you said that back in the day as well when everybody expected this to be a bubble. Obviously now, by institutions investing in Bitcoin, a lot of institution money being invested into it, we all know that the likelihood of that happening is very low because of mass adoption from cryptocurrency. People are looking at it as an asset right now, a very good asset to invest in, and volatility comes with it as well. So I'm going to do a bit of technical analysis. We've got the MACD and the simple moving averages. I'm using the 14 and 40 time frame. Very simply, the shorter the time frame, the more choppy it is, so the more the quicker results, and the longer the time frame, the more accurate the reading is. So though it will come in later, it would give you a more accurate reading. So right there, at this point, this was last year sometime, we had a big sell signal that came up, and the further away from the candlesticks you can see that's how strong that sell signal was. Straight after that we had a big plummet, as you can see, and it went down to 42. We had a bit of retracement, but the trend kept on going down. If you keep on moving towards the right, you can see there is a very clear sell signal here, which for me was an amazing opportunity to short at that point. But if I follow my MACD, there's the first inclination of a sell right here, which if I place it correctly, it's right on that candlestick where the red short moving average comes over the candlesticks. So once that moving average peaks over on top of the candlesticks, we know that there's a downward pressure pull down, meaning there's a big sell position coming out, and that would have been at $45,000, and that's not too long ago. That was in the 6th of the 4th month, 2022, which is this year, which is only not a long time ago at all. So there's a lot of opportunity for you guys to see that there is a big sell-off right now. And if you go in on the downtrend, you can see there's a confirmation with a dead cross right here, which is at 40,000, which is $4,000 shorter than that. And you can see the downward pull after that. Straight after that, the big plummet, and we went from 40 all the way to 31, which is almost about a $9,000 drop right there. So how long does this trend keep going? We're just going to keep looking at it, keep doing technical analysis, hoping to help you guys and show you guys exactly what more we've got to show you. We're going to be constantly updating you on the current trends what's happening on the market. This is a very short video just to come back and speak to you guys, all of the guys that are concerned about Bitcoin and the bearish move and the big move in the downward trend. Hold on, do not trade rationally, follow your strategy. Strategy is key, and do not change your plan. The number one rule, do not change your plan. Your action plan, you need to have that set out, and we're going to help you to facilitate that. If you do not know the plan, we will help you to explain to you what strategies there are and techniques there are to invest on the financial markets, on how to trade on Bitcoin, how to trade cryptocurrencies, how to understand the fundamental analysis with the technical analysis, and how the both can help you to benefit you and to be aware of it. Obviously, the more technique and strategy you get, the better it is for you. So it was just a short video just to update you guys on this, especially if you're getting emotional and you're worried right now. Keep to your strategy. There's a couple other options for you and potential where you can reverse what's happening to you. You can hedge it almost, if I'd say. A really good short right now. A lot of you guys have made a lot of money. I know the traders definitely came out and made a lot of money. We can go down a couple hours and see the different parts of it. If you go down to the 4-hour chart, you can see clear cuts of sell signals right here at the 38,000 mark as well. So the longer the period, the more easier the trend. You could have noticed that the trend was there, just there at that big candlestick right there. You could see right there at 36,000. So you could have still did a sell at 36,900 around there and still made, right now it's sitting at 31,650. You're going to get a lot of institutions and a lot of big investors looking for a buy-in right now because of the swing trade. So what they do is they short the market, leveraged, take a lot of profits, take the profits, and then buy in at a very low price of the physical asset. So they do a swing and a hedge almost, if I would say. So really good potential on that. Looking forward to hearing from you guys. Comment, subscribe, do what's best. Obviously, we're going to post a lot more. You're going to see us popping off on all our social media channels. Trade Pro Labs is going to be the place to be to get all of your information around crypto, investing, new tokens, projects, opportunities, potentials. Obviously, we do not advise anything. We're not advisors in any way, shape, or form. It's a disclaimer. We are here to show you what we do and what we do ourselves, how we invest, and you guys can speculate and learn from those and give you different potential to grow your portfolio of investment and diversify and look at different opportunities, whether it be tokens, crypto, anything that's trending right now, NFTs. We're going to bring different artists, people to speak to and give you insights on everything that's popping off right now. Looking forward to seeing you guys later.